Namaste, welcome to my Diwali kitchen. Let's make some sweets. First, we mix the dough for laddus. Now into the syrup to make jalebis. Time to plate our beautiful sweets. Happy Diwali. Enjoy the story. एक चाय देना? जी, 5 रुपए. ले लो. धन्यवाद. अरे वाह, बढ़िया चाय है. आपकी कृपा है.
Watch carefully, dear. We roll the dough round.
Okay, Mommy. Can I try?
Yes. Roll it from the center
Like
out.
this?
Perfect. Now onto the hot griddle.
Yay, it's cooking!
Chopping the mangoes finely for the pickle. Now adding the spices, stirring it all together. And it's ready, a perfect summer pickle. Churning the milk now up and down. See the butter forming? Pouring the lassi now. Fresh and creamy.
Hi everyone, it's Eid. I'm making a special biryani in my tiny kitchen. First, rice and meat. Stir, stir. Now for the spices. It's ready. Look at this beautiful Eid biryani. Happy Eid. Bye. Time to harvest some fresh veggies. This carrot looks perfect. Now to cook them into a delicious curry. Smells wonderful already. Time to make a tiny pizza. First, the sauce and toppings. Now into the hot oven. It smells wonderful. The stew is simmering nicely. I'll get the vegetables ready. Perfect. The feast will be grand. Time for a cozy dinner. The stew smells wonderful. Perfect. Now to enjoy.
Let me tell you a story while I cook this khichdi. It was a rainy day and the fields were green. My grandmother taught me this recipe. Stirring brings back all those memories.
Good morning, family. Ready for breakfast?
Yes, Mommy, pancakes.
Smells wonderful, dear.
They're almost ready. Yay, breakfast magic.
In our peaceful miniature village, the doll begins to cook. She adds spices, stirring gently as steam rises. Now the meal is ready and she carries it home.
First, I stir the dough for the sweets. Now adding the spice for flavor. Perfect! Ready for the mehendi ceremony.
Raboni cartoon.